Adam. Tweety. Tweety. Bird, bird. Oh, we sleepy after our trip. Yeah, we tired.
She just woke up just 2 minutes ago.
She didn't fall asleep though.
What?
Adam. Adam.
Where's
Tweety.
my daddy?
Tweety.
Mommy, where's daddy?
He's outside.
He's 24 hours.
Mom. Adam. Mama. Wait, let me pause for a minute. Tweety. 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 So guys, the story with this Tweety bird is when I was little, my dad picked out my first Looney Tune character on my first Six Flags trip when I was little. And he had me pick and I chose Tweety bird. So I picked her out a Tweety bird. And I said I was going to do it too. Tweety bird is my favorite Looney Tune character. I like him. He's cool. And he's really awesome. I also like Roadrunner and Speedy Gonzales. So those are the top 3 that I like, along with Bugs Bunny, Lola Bunny, and of course, I have to put my buddies Daffy Duck on there and Sylvester the cat. So yeah, that's the story on that Tweety. She's so cute. She loves it. Oh, I'm still wearing my thing from it. I gotta take that off. Okay, well, we had a very great time, guys. Very great time. I even got burnt really badly. Back was the worst spot, but I will manage, and I lost a nail. So, okay, but anyway, I'll catch you guys later in the next video. Bye-bye!